number 6 and number 11. First possession para kay number. Tinamaan si number 5. Number 8. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 6. Back to number 8. Pass to number 2. Pumukol ng 3. 3 points. Naulian. Cortina sa loob. Sable tayo, white ball. Number 8. Pass to number 15. Pass to number 8 again. Back to 15. Pass to number 8. 5 to shoot. 3 to shoot. Number 8. 15 to shoot. Number 9. Fake. Pass to Paso. Number 8. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 15. 12 to shoot. Number 10. Pumuhol ang 3. Sablay. Narinig din number 15. Sablay ko din. Natabi. Nakuha ni number 10. Number 10. Number isa. Sablay. Narinig ni number 11. Number 11. Nagpabatali. Shot. May foul. First row. Sablay. Natapik. Nakuha ni number 2. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 8. May foul. Foul. Basket para kay number 8. Number 10, pass to number 15. Sablay. Red ball tayo. Number 8. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 6. 15 to shoot. Number 2, pupukol. Step back. Sablay. Naribo ni number 9. Number 9. Sasalaksak. Sablay. Single shot. Basket.
Nalalaw yung short. Nalalaw yung short ang puta.
15 to shoot. Number 8. Nagtataot ng play. Pass to number 11. 2 points. Number 11. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Shot. Nabitin. Naribo ni number 6. Long pass kay number 8. Pass to number 9. Fake shot. 2 points. Number 11. Pass to number 10. Pumukol ng 3. Sablay. Naribo ni number 8. 9 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Long pass kay number 8. Pass to number 9. Umikot. Sablay. Naribaw ni number 10. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Sa isang basket. Number 11, pumukol ng 3. 3 points. Number 11. Number 11, nagkatabi ka ng 1, number 9. 15 to shoot. Pumukol ng 3. Sablay, naribaw ni number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 2, pumukol ng 3. Sablay, naribaw ni number 8. 15 to shoot. 12 to shoot. Number 9. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Sablay, naribang ni number 10. Long basket, number 15. 2 points. 15 to shoot. Nakatapik. Nakuha na pa rin. Pass to number 11. Sablay. Naribang ni number 9. Number 9 nagmamadali. Number 9. Pass to number 11. Tumulong na tres. Sablay. Number 2 na wala. Pass to number 9. Nagtawag ng play. Rock number 9. 10 to shoot. Tumulong na tres. Sablay. Naribang ni number 8. Number 8. Stop and shot. Sablay. Number 11. Nakapitan. 15 to shoot. Pupukul ng tres. Sablay. Naribang ni number 10. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Kumit na. Pass to number 2. 2 points. Fifteen to shoot. Pupukul ng tres. Sablay. Naribang ni number 11. Fake. Number 11. 8 to shoot. Sablay puti. Naribang ni number 11 ng Pembo. Natabigan. Save ball. Sablay. Seconds.
Lalaro na sa commercial.
12 to shoot. Nadulas. Natapit na kuha ni number 12. Low pass kay number 9. Nakuha ni number 8. Natapit ni number 12. Nakuha ni number 9. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Counted. And number 12. Shot. Sablay. Na-rebound ni number 3. Pass to number 9. Sablay. Number 9. Number 9 is North Damhari. Sumalaksak. Sablay. White ball.
Idol, papo yun, idol.
Number 6. Pinilit. Sablay na rebound number 7. Basket. To shoot. 8 to shoot. Number 6. Sablay. Na rebound ni number 6 pati. Kaso. Wait, 15 to shoot. Sablay. Na rebound ni number 6. 12 to shoot.
Dalawang shooter dyan.
8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 2 points para kay number 9. Number 12. Pass to number 7. Umikot. Natapikan. Nakuha ni number 6. Number 6. Floater. 2 points. Kabasa ni mga kalamangan ng Pembo. Number 3. Pass to number 6. Number 9. 55 seconds. Tubukon, hindi. 50 seconds. 15 to shoot. Sablay. Nariband ni number 12. 40 seconds. 15 to shoot. Pupukol ang tres. Sablay. Na-rebound ni number 6 shot. Sa libre. Kaso may 15 to shoot. 22 seconds. Number 12, nakapit na. Nakuha na pa rin, number 12 pa rin. Pass to number 3. Sablay, nakaibaw ni number 9. 10 seconds. Pass to number 6. Pinali na. Number 4. Red ball. Foul. Number 5. Number 5. Shot. Sablay. Fifteen to shoot. Number 6. 10 to shoot. Number 12. Pass to number 7. 5 to shoot. Pumuhol ang 3. Tapos. Na-rebound. Number 9. 11 pala. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 4. Shot. Sablay. Na-rebound yung number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 7. Shot. Sablay. Natapik. Nakuha ni number 5. To shoot. Number 1. Back to number 12. Pass to number 6. 10 to shoot. Second personal foul. Bonus throw basket. May foul na tinawag. Number 5, pumukul ang 3. Sablay. Nakuha natin number 9. Number 8 pala. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 11, back to number 9. Pumukul ang 3 si number 8. 3 points. Number 7, pass to number 6, fake. Number 6, 1, 2, step, Sablay. Na-rebound ni number 9. Number 9, nagmamadali. Lumipad na, Sablay. Red ball kaya sa Sablay. Number 3, pass to number 6, pass to number 9, 15 to shoot. Pass to number 7, 10 to shoot. 11 to shoot para sa Pembo. Number 9, 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Sablay, na-rebound ni number 8. Number 8, pass to number 5. 2 points. Baba sa isa ang kalamangan ng Pembo. Score 22-21. Number 11 shot, Sablay. Number 11, Laka. Jump ball. Number 10, Pass to number 3. Pass to number 11. Baka. 12 to shoot. It takes it. First row basket. Second row. Sablay. Number 9. Binabantayan ang dalawa. Pass to number 11. Back to number 9. Masyado malakas. Red ball. Number 8. Pass to number 10.
Stop.
Safe for 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Sablay, na-rebound yung number 9. Natapigan, nakuha yung number 9 ng North Dakari. 1 on 3. May power line tinawag. First row para kay number 9. Sablay. Second row. Sablay. Number 11. Tumawag ng 3 points. 2 points para kay number 2.
Time out. Wala.
Number 10, pumukol ng 3. Sablay, natapek ng number 15. Pass to number 6, 10 to shoot. Pass to number 5, pumukol ng 3. Sablay, nakuha. Technical throw, basket para kay number 2. Number 10, pass to number 8, pass to number 2, 15 to shoot. Sablay, na-rebound ni number 15. Pass to number 5, umikot. Shot, Sablay, na-rebound ni number 11. Low pass to number 2. Sablay, kasa. Second throw, basket. Number 15, binabatay ang dalawa. Pass to number 5. Pass to number 10. Sablay. Number 8. Kinaliwa na lang. Basket. Angat sa oseng alagaan na Pebo. Number 10, 2 points. $15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 2. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 9. 5 to shoot. Pumukul ng 3. Sablay. Same ball. 13 to shoot. Number 1 shot. Sablay, na-rebound number 11, 2 points. Number 2, pumukol. Sablay, na-rebound number 11 ang natabikan. Number 15, pass to. Number 6, may power right. Number 6, number 15, Number 6, Pumukol. Kapos. Number 6 again. Laka. 8 to shoot. Fake. Nasa fake. 4 to shoot. 2 points para kay number 15.
Wawa.
Number 9. Pass to number 11. Pass to number 8. Pass. 13 to shoot. 13 to shoot.
One stop, one stop!
10 to shoot. Pumukol. Sablay. Na-rebound ni number 9 ng Lord Damari. Number 9. Nagmamadali. 2 points. Mabasa pito ang inaabot ng Lord Damari. 12 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 9. Number 9, binabantay ang dalawa. Na-recovery. Pass to number 14, 15 to shoot. Natapitan. Number 11, basket. Number 11, 3 points. Natapikan. Number 9, 2 points. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 14 shot clock. Ten to shoot. Number 9. Pass to number 1 at the back. 7 to shoot. Seven to shoot. Sablay. Na-rebound ni number 6. Number 6. Kinaliwa pa. 2 points. Foul para kay second throw para kay number 1. Sablay, na-rebound ni number 9. Number 9, binabantayan ng 4. Number 6, pass sa number 15. Sablay, na-rebound ni number 9. 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 8. 8 to shoot.
Good. Ano sa temp yun eh?
First throw, Sablay.
Tumira nga eh, di ba?
Second throw para kay number 7.
Kaya na tinas.
Sablay pa rin. 15 seconds. Number 9. Pass to number 15. 2 points. Number 8. Pass to number 1. Number 13, pass to number 8, 12 to shoot. Red ball tayo. Sub-rep. Nahuli ni number 6. Number 6, nagmamadali. Pass to number 5, sablay. Number 6, ng Pepo, binabatay ng dalawa, natapikan. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 8, isa. Pass to number 13, pumuha ng 3. Sablay. Same ball tayo, white ball. Number 5, pumukol ng 3. Kapos, na-rebound ni number 11, 2 points. 5 na lang ang hinahabol ng North na Akari. May foul na tinawag. Number 6, Sablay. Na-rebound ni number 5. Lumayap, Sablay. Number 9. Number 8, inbounding the ball. Pass to number 9, back to number 8. 15 to good. 10 to shoot. Kumuha ng 3. Sablay. Na-rebound ni number 11. Natabikan. 2 points para kay number 9. Fifteen to shoot. 10 to shoot. 2 points para kay number 5. To shoot. Foul. 43-38. Second throw. Basket again para kay number 9, sobre. Number 3, number 6 out. To shoot. Naulian, number 9. Nagmamadali, paso number 5. 2 points. Dalawa na lang ang kalabangan ng Pepo. Sumisigaw na ang bench ng North Langari. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Na-rebound ni number 9. Number 9 nagkakatabigan. Long pass. Number 3, Sablay. Long pass kay number 2. Number 5, floater. Sablay. Na-rebound ni number 11. Natapek ni number 11. Nakuha ni number 5. Na-steal. Hindi. Na-recover ni number 5. Number 5, pass to number 6, Blaka. Nakuha number 5, fake. Shot. Sablay. Na-rebound number 11, pass to number 9. Sablay pa din. Same ball tayo. White ball. Number 6, pass to number 8, fake. Number 8 pa din. Sablay. Nakuha ni number 9. Number 9 na masok sa gitna. Pinilit. 2 points. Defense foul, sabi ng bench. Number 9. 15 to shoot. Number 8 to Mohamed. Sablay. Na-rebound ni number 11. 11 to Natapek. Nakuha ni number 8. Na-rebound ni number 7. Pass to number 5. Number 5, 3 on 2. Lumayap. Sablay. Number 11, umikot. Shot. 2 points. Huwag niyo po paluin. Number 8, pass to number 7. Natapikan, nakuha ni number 3. Number 3, 4 on 2 situation. 2 points para kay number 11. Number 5, Sablay. Na-rebound ni number 9. Ito na ang Pebo. Pebo basketball. Sumalaksak. Paso number 8. Kaso may foul. Foul. Second throw para kay number 8. Basket. Balik sa pito ang kalamangan ng Pebo. Number 8. Ini-easy ang bola. Number 4, shot. Sablay. Na-rebound yung number 11. Sablay pa din. Number 3. Pass to number 8, fake. Nablaka. Number 8, pass to number 7. Pass to number 9. Kaso. Number 9, pumukol na 3. Sablay. Na-rebound ni number 6. Pass to number 9. Nahuli yan ni number 8. Binali pa. Sablay, na-rebound. Natapek. Number 8, pumukol na 3. Sablay, na-rebound ni number 3. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 2 points para kay number 3. Number 9. Binabantayan ng dalawa. Number 9. 12 to shoot. He's stepping on the line. $15 to shoot. Long pass kay number 15. 2 points.
Wala. Yung palapit.
15 to shoot. Number 8. Pumasok sa gitna, lumayak. 2 points. 14. Pass to number 15. Foul. Last shot. Basket. Sub-rep. 55 seconds para sa third quarter. Number 12, pinilit. White ball. 45 seconds. Forty seconds. 15 to shoot. 12 to shoot. 35 seconds. Sablay. Naribal niya number 3. 30 seconds. May foul na itinawag. Second throw. Basket again. Sablay. Number 15. Sumalaksak, pinilit, nakuha niya ulit, second shot, sablay pa rin, naribal ni number 12. 15 seconds. Good. Number 14. Umikot, natapikan. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. End of the third quarter. Number 5. 12 to shoot. 3 points. Long 2. Para kay number 13. Long 2 lang. Number 3 fake. Natapikan ang kuha ng number 11. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 10. Kaso. Number 1. Pass to number 10. Nakuha number 11. Number 5. Number 10. Tumuha ng 3. 3 points. Number 9, pass to number 2, 10 to shoot. 2 points para kay number 11. Number 6, nagkakatabikan. Number 11 nagmamadali. Umikot. Nadulas. Number 4, pass to number 5. Pass to number 10. Tumukol. Sablay.
Running time po tayo. 1 minute lang. Tuloy ang oras. Tuloy ang oras natin.
Number 9. Number 5. 3 on 2. Pass to number 4. Sablay. Nariba niya pa rin. Pass na ito mga lang. Rebound din number 5. Pass to number 10 na agaw number 2.
Makadikit.
Number 8. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 9. 10 to shoot.
Shooter yan.
3 points by number 2. At sa nyo po ang pasen, yung upuan. Number 11, babawi. Sablay. Na-rebound ni number 6, nagkakatabigan. Pass na number 11. 5 to shoot. Tumukol ang tres. Sablay. Number 2, pass to number 8. Nariba na number 11. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Shot. 2 points para kay number 9. Walo na kalabangan ng tempo. Number 9, 2 points.
Kanin lang eh. Gandang setting lang yan oh. Dalawang stop lang.
12 to shoot. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Nakakatapikan. Nakuha ni number 9. Number 9, pass to number 10, back to number 9. 2 free throw para kay number 9. First throw. Basket. Second throw para kay number 9. Basket again. 2 of 2.
Apat lang oh.
Number 9, 10 to shoot. Pass to number 2, 5 to shoot. Nariba ni number 9. Number 9 nagmamadali. Pinili. May power. Apat na lang ang kalamangan ng Pembo Basketball. First low, basket. Second throw para kay number 9. Basket again. Isa na lang. Ay, dalawa. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan. Number 9, 15 to shoot. Nakapitan. Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 points para kay number 9. Number 9, pinilit. May power na pinilit. First row, Sablay. Second row, basket. Number 9. Nakararo na. Sablay. Nahulihan. Number 11. 2 points. po paluin. Nakakarinde. Mapapalabas kayo. Number 11. Paso number 13. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. Number 2. 70. 69. Lola. 2 minutes. Time to shoot. 2 points for number 6. To shoot. 8 to shoot. First, go.
Stop. Oy.
First row basket.
Wag na daw.
Second row. Sublime. Last row. Sublime. Rebound ni number 8. Shot. Sublime. Number 9, 15 to shoot. 1 minute and 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 to shoot. 2 shot clock. 2 shot clock. Good. Number 9. Nagmamadali. Si number 9. Pinilit. Sabay. Naribang ni number 5. Number 5. Shot. 54 seconds. 50 seconds. Nagpapaluin. Number 8. Paso number 9. Paso number 9. Thirty seconds.
Nilapit pa.
Number 8. Paso number 11. Nakakami.
Foul!
Timeout! Tempo! 5.4 seconds para sa fourth quarter. Number 13.
Ulo!